Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be repurposing a vendor wig. If you think this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, to start this video off, this is my fifth wig that I was testing from a wig vendor in preparation for the wig business that I was starting to create. This particular wig was not up to standard. As you can see here, it's very reddish. It took color too fast, and I don't think it's suitable for selling to the public or to my customers, potential customers, or what have you. So now I'm going to use this wig for something else. I do makeup videos, so this is what I'm going to use this wig for. So right now I'm just showing you how I cut the hair, adding graduation layers into the hair, cutting it into a bob, and that's what you see me doing here. So as you can see here, I'm cutting my perimeter, making sure the hair is nice and evenly cut. I'm just doing a basic perimeter cut right here, and as you saw in the previous clip, I was doing like the layers, graduation layers. I wasn't sure if I wanted to cut all the hair off just yet. As you can see, the hair is pretty thin. I don't think anybody would want to pay. If I told you how much I paid for this wig, I don't think they would want to pay. They'd be very disappointed. So this is not a company that I would be interested in doing business with. So I'm not going to just toss the wig away. I'm going to actually use it. So that's why right now I'm just cutting the hair, and I'm separating the lace portion or the top portion from the head, because I want to make sure it's even on both sides. I made sure my tabs on either side of the wig were pretty much parallel to each other. Right here, I'm just taking a little bit more off of one side just to try to balance it out so that both sides will be nice and even throughout. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you how you determine the natural part. You comb the hair pretty much going back, and wherever you push the hair forward, it has ridges, and you just pretty much pick a ridge that you want to use. Right here, the hair divided in that particular area, and I like the way that looks, so that's where my part is going to be. So right here I'm just blowing out the hair. As you can see all of the cap and everything. Right now I'm just going to take my thinning shears and thin out the ends because they were looking a little bit blunt. That's what I'm doing here. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like after I put all the layers in it, or graduation and things like that. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, right here I'm just showing you what the hair looks like so far. on me, so you can see what the hair looks like, and we're going to go into further depth. Looking at this wig with this particular haircut, it's reminding me of Jada Pinkett on the Nutty Professor, and as you can see here, it looks very similar. I didn't realize that when I was doing the haircut, but it just reminded me of Jada Pinkett, so I just tossed that in there. Okay, so I'm going to color the hair now. It's 3A and a 3N, and I'm going to mix the two together with a volume 10 because I only want deposit. I felt the hair had that reddish burgundy-ish color. I'm not sure why the hair looks like that. I believe that it was probably over processed or something, which is the main reason why I didn't want to sell the wig. So instead of me bleaching the hair out and creating more damage and destroying what investment I made on this wig, I'm going to dye it black. I didn't have a black on hand, but these are the two closest colors that I can get that would actually make the hair darker. The volume 10 is going to drop the hair's level down and to make it look darker, and the 3 ash, because ash is a cool color and it normally makes the hair pretty dark. So that's what I'm trying to go for right here, because like I said, I didn't have any 1A or anything like that. So I'm right here, I'm just making sure I got the hair nicely evenly coated throughout from root to tips, and raking it through and combing it through, and anything that comes off on the comb, I'm putting it on the very ends of the hair to make sure it's nice and even. Okay, so right here I'm trying to show you at the very top how I did the top. This is the natural part, not that that really matters. So I'm combing through the tangles right here, and I'm going to apply the hair color as close to the scalp, to the lace as I can without touching the lace. And then I'm going to take my comb and apply the hair color to my comb and get as close to the scalp as I can, to the lace as I can, without touching the lace to stain the lace, because you definitely don't want a black lace. And I'm going to show you what I did here. I'm going to put it on the comb, on the teeth of the comb, and then I'm going to try to comb it through, just through the hair and not all the way down to the lace. Almost like it's pretty close, but it's not even close to even get that close to even stain the lace. So right here I'm working on the natural part again. I've already bleached my knots. Right here I'm just showing you the process I used in order to pluck out the excess hair, so that the lace would look a little bit more realistic. So I'm just showing you what I did here. Okay, so up next I'm going in with my foundation in my particular shade. You would use the foundation in your shade. Right here I'm just lightly coating the ends of my dual fiber brush here, and I'm going to buff that into the areas pretty much along the hairline and along the parting, because that's where you're definitely going to see where the scalp is supposed to be. The rest of the hair I'm not going to even worry about that. So yeah, I'm pretty much focusing on those two areas. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what the hair looked like before I did all my detail work, before I cut my lace, bleached my knots, I put foundation on my lace, and colored it and everything. Just a reminder to let you know what it looked like before. And here is a look once I've completed doing everything that I just showed you. I didn't glue my cap down, so that's why you can kind of see, but Right here, I'm just trying to show you the general look of how the hair is looking. Like I said, I feel like the hair is entirely too thin, but it does look very natural. Look like I got a fresh relaxer in my head and a semi-permanent rinse with it. So as you can see, the 3A and the 3N did a pretty good job of coloring all those red burgundy tones that was already in the hair that made it look really bad, in my opinion. And right here I'm just showing you I had went too far up with it bled into my hairline, but that's okay. I'll fix it up with a mascara or something like that. But just giving you a final look at how the process looked, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something in the process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.